Hey folks, welcome to Central Park here on the Icon of the Seas. Now in many ways this is going to be a familiar space, but in other ways it's been totally reimagined. Now the first thing you notice behind me is that you don't see those big half circle balconies sticking out anymore. Now, for the most part, we have infinite balconies, which are the balconies that are part of your room, and then the glass window slides up or down to open up to the outside. Plus we've got these absolutely beautiful shutters. Now, there are still balconies in here, actual balconies you can see right there at the very top, and they're just level with the infinite balcony so they don't stick out into Central Park. Now the other big thing that you're going to notice, you can actually see out to the ocean. Royal Caribbean made a concentrated effort to bring the ocean into the ship. You know, on the Oasis class, you can't really see the ocean that much when you're inside the ship. I can look to my left, I can look to my right, and I can actually see the ocean outside through the promenade. And at the same time, if you're in the Royal Promenade, you can look up into Central Park, and it's especially beautiful at night. Some new venues out here as well, including one of my favorites, Lou's Jazz Club. Oh my goodness. I love jazz, I love live music. You bring them together. Oh my gosh, what a great venue, and it was really hopping the other night. And then they brought Isumi out into Central Park, which is fabulous. So you've got the walk up, so you can just grab some sushi to go, or you can book the hibachi or sushi dinners inside just like any other Izumi. And I think Izumi is one of the best sushi restaurants at sea. Central Park is my favorite spot on any Oasis class ship, and I really like the way that they've reimagined this space. It looks a little bit more modern, a little bit more contemporary, and I absolutely love the addition of Lou's Jazz Club, and then bringing Izumi out here. Oh, it just makes this place even better. Now, if you have any questions at all about Icon of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, or just anything to do with cruising, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.